Hi everyone! In this video we are going to be looking at how to make the next step of our project, which involves some measuring and some cutting in order to turn our paper plate into something that we can weave on. So what I have here is a template, and you should have one of these at your table. Now it's kind of funny because a template is something that maybe you trace, but what's funny is this is made out of a plate, so template, I thought you'd enjoy that. This is the template. What you're going to be doing first is taking your plate that you have already painted, you'll put the template to it, it nestles right in there, and then you're going to be using these notches to drag your pencil through and right on top of the rim. Do your best to keep it nice and straight instead of angling off to one side. You want these to try to be evenly spaced. And don't let the template move within your plate. You want it to stay in the same spot so all of these notches are lined up the whole time. So you'll go around, trace that right on top. Maybe it'll be a little bit different for you because you have paint underneath. You might have to take your pencil across the paint a few times to be able to see it. If you need to use another tool like a crayon or a marker, that would be up to you. But I think a pencil will probably work the best. Okay, I have traced all of my lines. Now I can remove the template. And what I want to do is I want to cut through each one of these lines to make it a notch. But the thing is, you want to stop right at the edge of this rim. You don't want to cut down, otherwise it'll be saggy. So you're just going to go right on top, cut straight through the notch all the way around. Remember, just stay on the rim with your cuts. The thing that happens if you go all the way down is what these are doing is they're holding the yarn eventually. So if you go all the way down, your weaving that's going to go on top will not actually be lifted. It's going to be sagging down here in the bottom. So you want to keep it nice and lifted on top of this rim. So I'm just going to go around, continue my cuts. You can always come back and make these a little bit wider if you feel like you need to when we start doing the weaving part. But this should be good. And that is all set and ready to go for the next part, a little sneak peek you have right here so you can see how it works. Thanks, everybody.